I want to talk about this stuff right here for a minute. I'm a little disappointed in this product. My intention was to use this as nothing more than a protective coating that was crystal clear that you could see right through, to see all the hard work that I put into cleaning up the frame and the tank and smoothing and polishing everything up. So once I got done with everything, you know, as I was cleaning up the metal, it was getting sprayed immediately. Cleaned up, prepped with acetone, wiped down, and then sprayed with this Rustoleum. And then it was inside. I had it in the cabin. And I just took it out yesterday so I could see what everything looked like in the sunlight, and walked in and my heart just sank. Look at all that. Rust just exploded freaking everywhere. All over it. Three cans of Rustoleum are on this frame and tank. Like just random weird places here and there. Sometimes it's on the textured metal that's just, you know, from the cast, like there. And some places it's on the tube for no apparent freaking reason. I mean, everything was thoroughly prepped and sanded and cut brushed and wiped down. So yeah, I'm thoroughly disgusted with Rustoleum right now. And I just wanted to share.